received all the emails the Board of Education members have, and every one that y'all sent, and I think we all tried to respond to them as quick and as clearly as we can. As far as I'm concerned, I know once you send an email, it's very public in the domain. I consider it kind of like a telephone call to our constituents when I send an email to a person that has responded to me wanting a personal response from me. So I don't know how appropriate it is to repeat what any particular council member or the mayor has said to any one citizen about their response. But thank you for your comments. Any other comments?